Also tonight I'm gonna do a kind of like a Christmas book. So I'm using this, it's a real lightweight book, wooden book, just like this. It's lightweight, and I'm gonna use this Decoupage Central, I think, paper. I got it from Picker's Palace. But anyway, this Santa. So I'm just gonna create something that you can display at Christmas. So how pretty is he? I love this. Love this. I'm just gonna cover a little bit of it with this white paint. I'm not gonna cover it all because I don't want it all covered. Just trying to make that paper pop. So we're gonna just make kind of like a Christmas box. I got stuff in here. Okay. I get paint all over me. Alright, so we're gonna just add him onto this box. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start laying that. Let's start right here. I'm gonna have to cut this on this side anyway, but we'll use the oh, here it is. Okay, this I'm gonna have to do with the water. Let's see if I can get this off with water. I think I'm gonna add this. Now I'm not gonna paint this because this is a dark piece. This is a Decoupage Queen rice paper from last year or maybe 2 years ago. But it is called Christmas wrapping, I think, or holiday wrapping. So it's this piece right here. And I've had this, I just never did anything with it. So I'm gonna add this right here. Is our box, and then we have that on the spine, and then I have stuff in here, but okay. The back side, I'm gonna go ahead. I was gonna stencil it, but I still like this paper. I think we're gonna go ahead and go with this. Put this mold, like I said, this is an IOD mold. I already all I did was I took some paint, I painted it. You don't have to paint it, but I did, and then I used my bare wax, my dark wax, and that's all I did for this. And I think that's all I'm going to do. I may put some rhinestones later, but that's that mold. So that's all I did, was just use my dark wax on that. Oh, here it is. It was hidden. Okay, so this one's going to go down here. Alright, so here is our book. And I think I'm going to put either some red or some amber rhinestones along these molds. I think that will look good. I'm going to use some gel stain. That'll work. So I'm just using a gel stain here. I just want to give this a little color. Alright, so I have, I've already put this together. I'll take this out of the way. Alright. Alright, so I have this ribbon. Y'all, this ribbon came from Hobby Lobby, but I got it on the clearance section. Probably got it for like $1 or something. But these are 2 ribbons. So this ribbon, look at that frayed. I put this on top, I glued that on top of that ribbon. So, is that the same one? Yes, it is. So I just took some of this ribbon that I had already in my stash, and I just glued it with some fabric tack onto that green one. So I'm just going to take this and put that around, I think. I'm going to add that. Yeah, we can use this. This is what we have so far. So we have our little Christmas book. And that's the spine there. So when we open this up, we are going to have, so I have these words, digital deco design paper. So I just tore the words out. It was a rice paper, but I just tore these words out because I like the font on this. And you know what? Later. But all I'm going to do is just take these 2 words, Merry Christmas, and I'm just going to decoupage it on there. Y'all look. So this is the inside of this book. So it's got like a little fireplace in there. And so what I'm going to do with these words, nothing to it. I'm just going to take, I'm just going to decoupage these right on here. I'm going to take these 2 stockings. Look at these stockings, y'all. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm going to take these 2 stockings. So I have these little bells. Look at these little bells, y'all. I have the little danglies in there. We're going to put that right here in the middle. I forgot about that. So, yes, I'm glad I separated the Christmas pack. I think I'm going to put a Christmas tree over here. I'll put a Christmas tree over there. I think this Christmas tree. I like the Christmas tree. So you can have it sitting out if you wanted to, but here is our little fireplace with our little stockings and our little bells there, and then our Christmas tree, if it doesn't fall off, our Christmas tree right there. So, y'all, thank you so much for joining me. I enjoyed doing this little cute decorative box. So I will see y'all next time right here on Totally Dazzled's page.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.